StockPulse Newsroom. We are talking Vizsla Silver today. Vizsla trades as VZLA, Toronto Venture Exchange, VZLA, New York Stock Exchange in the States. And I've got CEO Mike Konnert here. Mike, I appreciate you taking the time here. It's been a minute. Saw some news. They're expanding that the San Antonio vein there at Panuco. So I guess that's a good place to start once you get us caught up.
Yeah, San Antonio is a vein that's located in the center of the district. We have kind of 3/3 of a district here: the western portion, which hosts our resource, the central portion, which hosts the San Antonio vein, and then the east, which is kind of all exploration upside. And so, although we're drilling very thoroughly at the western third of the district, building our resources at Tajitos, Napoleon, and Copala, we're also doing exploration work and making meaningful discoveries elsewhere in the district, including San Antonio. San Antonio is an ore shoot that looks as if it's going to continue to grow along strike. It's almost 2 kilometers in strike, and we haven't come close to testing the depth extents of it yet. All of this means that, although we have a very large resource that's steadily growing, that we're going to see further growth from outside of that western portion on other areas of the district. San Antonio is a great example of that, but I suspect that we're going to see many more of these type of vein discoveries, adding resources very rapidly across the district.
Yeah. Market's kind of taking a breather here, kind of traditionally, I guess, but maybe a little more so than we'd like. But yeah, talk about the value you've created here, and now all of a sudden the opportunity. You're really on sale. Yeah,
it's interesting. I think any junior mining CEO can go around and say, "Hey, look, we're on sale. It's 50% off." But that might be true, but it might be 50% off for good reason. Vizsla. Although we're trading at half of the price that insiders put, $7 million into the company at over the last 18 months. And we raised $73 million at $250 back last spring. It's more than a 50% discount from those prices is great. But there's something different about Vizsla. Vizsla, regardless of the price, irrespective of the price, we're the company that's out there adding hot ounces with momentum. We're discovering more silver. We've got an entire district that we own 100%. It's a brownfields district. It has infrastructure. And, when this thing turns, and it might be 4 months, it might be 6 months, it might be a year, it could even be 2 years. But when it does turn, we're going to be the leader in the silver space because we have, a true district that continues to grow. I think it's going to be a multi-100 million ounce silver district, and will be a very large scale producer in due time. So, I'm very excited about this. I think that, the future is very, very bright for Vizsla, and it's a heck of a buy right now.
Yeah, no, I couldn't agree more. And they're in a pretty good spot. They're hunting elephants, and he might be on to one there. So appreciate that update. That's Mike Konnert. He's the CEO of Vizsla Silver, VZLA, Toronto Venture Exchange, VZLA, New York Stock Exchange. Mike, thanks for that update. Look forward to checking back in when you have some more news for us.
Thanks, Rob.